Hey everybody, there's my phone number and my website. We have another Kenwood tl-922. Customer wanted me to make a video. 922a. So, I'm going to do all the modifications I normally do. Looks like someone went in here and messed around with the connections over here for the 80 volt winding circuit for the relays. 3 connections here. They had put a PIO cap in. The original probably shorted, and they were trying to figure out what's going on, so they unsoldered everything, and probably figured out the cap, so they changed the cap with a really old cap. So I ended up taking that out, put a new cap in. Looks like they broke the tab off and glued it all back together. Wires soldered, and we'll go over all that. Looks like they had a tube flash at some point, so you can see it has a different choke in there. I'm going to take those out anyway. Ground the grids, do the bias mod that hasn't been done. Someone changed the band switch, did some sloppy work, so I'll touch that up. 10 meter mod has been done. Other side looks good. Smoker had this, so there's some tar or nicotine or whatever on surfaces. Looks like they changed the Zener diode. So, I'm going to get everything done, and then I will be back with the completed amp. Trying to crank through everything over here so I can get started on that custom amplifier. Still waiting on parts for that thing, so can't start yet anyway. But by the time I'm done with all these, I'll have everything I need. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the completed amplifier. First things first, these side covers were swapped, so the handles were upside down. I put them back on the right way. Someone had changed the band switch at some point. The straps were all twisted up and everything, so I cleaned those up. The resistors, I had to move those around to keep the leads separated so there wouldn't be any arcing issues. I put the series glitch resistor in, the meter protection diode in, the strap over this wire here to shorten the path between the plate blocker and the plate choke to help with any possible parasitic issues by lessening the inductance path. So air variables look good. I zip tied the wires over here real nice. Okay, so I'll flip it over and show you the bottom. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the bottom. I touched up on solder joint over here. I changed that cap. I have this one, like I said before. So did the bias modification, grounded the grids really well, checked all the solder joints, touched up on things as needed, put in the strap over here. I had to manipulate this wire, going to the padding caps. It's right up against the coil. So this thing is all set. It has a good set of Amprex 3500Zs, so it didn't need tubes. So otherwise I'd be putting Pentalab tubes in it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. There's my phone number and my website. Once again, please only contact me if you have an amplifier that you see in my videos. Special projects are separate from that, so if you have some sort of project you'd like to run by me, feel free to call. But when it comes to the repair of the amplifiers, I basically only service the ones that you see in my videos. So just to give you an idea. So amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Take care. Have a great day.